Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you an easy tutorial on how to sell your USDT on MEXC P2P and withdraw it directly to your GCash account. By the way, if you haven't signed up on MEXC Global yet, check the video description for the sign up link to register and get up to 8,000 USDT beginner rewards. Alright, let's get started. First, open your MEXC app. Next, tap Wallets. On the tap part of the screen, tap Fiat. Then select Sell. Now tap the drop-down arrow and choose P2P. Make sure your fiat currency is set to PHP since we're withdrawing to GCash. Before selling, you need to add your GCash account. To do that, tap the Me tab at the bottom. Then select Payment Method. You'll see here the list of your saved payment methods. Now tap the three dots or the plus icon in the upper right corner. Keep your fiat currency set to PHP. Under Payment Method, choose GCash. Enter your GCash mobile number, and if you want, attach your GCash QR code for faster and smoother transfers. Once done, tap Add. Now go back to the Sell tab. Apply a filter and select GCash as the payment method. This helps you quickly find merchants that accept GCash. You'll also notice each merchant has a badge, rating, and completion status. This can help you choose a trusted seller. Once you find a merchant, tap Sell. Enter the amount of USDT you want to sell. You'll also see the estimated amount in PHP based on the rate. Next, select your payment method. In this case, we will use GCash. When everything looks correct, tap Sell USDT. You'll now be taken to the order screen. Tap Chat to message the buyer. You may politely remind them to proceed with the payment if needed. Wait for a few minutes until the buyer sends the money. They will usually send a screenshot as a proof of transfer in the chat.
A few minutes later.
Once you receive the full amount in your GCash account, double-check your balance to confirm. After confirming the payment, tap Payment Received. Then select Confirm. Great, my P2P sell transaction is complete. And that's how you sell USDT on MEXC P2P and withdraw it directly to your GCash account. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto guides and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.